Giraffe pays users for playing mobile games and completing in-app goals, while Ibotta pays cashback on real purchases after you shop at stores or online retailers. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually generates rewards, what limits your earnings in both systems, and which one tends to pay better depending on how you already spend your time and money. Giraffe works by giving you points for installing and playing mobile games. You complete tasks inside those games, earn rewards based on progress, and convert points into payouts once you reach a threshold. Ibotta works completely differently. You earn cashback after buying eligible products from partnered retailers. You scan receipts or link your store account, and the app verifies your purchase before crediting your cashback. Giraffe is an effort-based system. Your earnings depend on how many game offers are available, and how much time you spend completing in-game milestones. No purchases are required, just gameplay. Ibotta is a spending-based system. You only earn when you buy something that qualifies for a cashback offer. That means your earnings depend on your normal shopping habits, not gameplay or tasks. Giraffe is better for users who want to earn without spending money. It turns free time into small rewards through game progression, but it requires consistent play to build meaningful earnings. Ibotta is better for users who already spend money on groceries, household items, or online shopping. Instead of adding new tasks, it rewards purchases you were likely going to make anyway. In terms of earning speed, Giraffe depends heavily on how fast you can complete game goals, and how many offers are available at any given time. Progress can feel steady but slow. Ibotta can feel faster in bursts, because a single shopping trip can generate multiple cashback credits at once, but only if you activate the right offers before buying. Another difference is control. Giraffe controls your earning path through game tasks. Ibotta gives you more control over what you earn based on what you choose to buy. Consistency also differs. Giraffe requires ongoing gameplay to keep earning. Ibotta depends on your shopping frequency, so earnings can vary week to week depending on purchases. Quick summary: Giraffe pays through gaming tasks with no spending required. Ibotta pays through cashback on real purchases you already make. If you want to earn from free time, Giraffe fits better. If you want to earn from everyday shopping, Ibotta usually provides higher value per transaction. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison guides like this.